Optim FRP is a game changer in modern bridge construction. This fiber-reinforced composite is incredibly lightweight yet impressively strong, making it ideal for both road and pedestrian bridges. It's designed to resist harsh weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability without the need for constant maintenance. Used in projects like the 140-meter Brnovo Bridge, Optim FRP offers rapid installation and structural integrity that traditional materials can't match. Its high-grip surface also reduces slipperiness, perfect for pedestrian and bicycle bridges. With superior performance in both new builds and repairs, it's clear why Optim FRP is revolutionizing how we build the infrastructure of tomorrow. Why settle for old methods when Optim FRP offers innovation that lasts? Stamped asphalt turns dull pavement into eye-catching design. Perfect for bike paths, crosswalks, and parking lots, it brings both beauty and durability to everyday infrastructure. Using infrared heaters and custom templates, it reshapes hot asphalt into patterns that mimic brick or stone. Then, vibrant colors and protective coatings seal the deal. The result? Stunning visuals that last. Over 4.5 million square meters have already been transformed. Proof this isn't just pretty, it's proven. Why settle for plain when you can go premium with stamped asphalt? It's fast, cost-effective, and absolutely game-changing for any surface that needs to work hard and look great. Bassra non-woven geotextiles are the backbone of stable infrastructure. Whether it's for runways, retaining walls, or massive reservoirs, this material does it all. It separates, filters, and drains, preventing soil and crushed stone from mixing while boosting shear strength. Made from high-quality polypropylene, polyester, or blends, it's needle-punched for durability and performance. Need flexibility? Choose your density and width up to 5 meters wide. Built for large-scale projects, Bassra is a go-to for engineers demanding strength and reliability. Plus, it's made in Germany, so you know it's engineered to perfection. Why risk subpar foundations when Bassra delivers long-lasting results every time? Arium is the mineral foam changing how we insulate buildings, efficiently and sustainably. Poured or pumped into place, it hardens into a lightweight yet powerful thermal barrier. It's fire-resistant, pest-proof, and thrives in extreme climates, even the blazing Algerian summer. Need flexibility? Its density is adjustable, making it a dream for architects and engineers alike. Arium helps slash CO2 emissions by cutting energy waste from heating and cooling. Did you know buildings account for 1/3 of global energy use? Plus, it contains no harmful substances and is fully recyclable. Whether retrofitting or building new, Arium makes insulation smarter, safer, and greener. Why settle for outdated materials when you can build with the future? Podlock Spacer is a smart, cost-effective solution for securing polystyrene blocks during flooring projects. Designed to prevent materials from shifting or blowing away, Podlock ensures stability on site, especially in open or windy environments. It works seamlessly with the rib raft system to create earthquake-resistant flooring, making it ideal for regions prone to seismic activity. The built-in crab clip feature adds major convenience, letting you bundle spacers for easy transport and storage. No more messy site clutter. At just $33 for a 25-pack, Podlock offers unbeatable value and performance. It's not just a spacer, it's a structural safeguard and time saver all in one. Mechanical concrete transforms discarded tires into powerful construction tools. By encasing gravel in the sidewalls of recycled tires, this innovation boosts load-bearing capacity up to 3 times compared to traditional road bases. Roads built with mechanical concrete cost 75% less to maintain. Yes, 75%, while virtually eliminating potholes, ruts, and erosion. It's not just for highways. Use it in warehouse yards, parking lots, and more. You're solving a waste problem and building stronger infrastructure at the same time. With reduced upkeep, superior strength, and massive environmental benefits, Mechanical concrete isn't just practical, it's revolutionary. Why waste tires when they can become the foundation of the future? KTM2 cable manhole is a lightweight powerhouse for underground cable networks. Weighing just 9 kilograms, it's a breeze to transport and install, saving time, effort, and labor costs. Made from durable polymer with a single molded body, it resists cracks and damage even in extreme temperatures from -50 degrees to +60 degrees. With 8 mounting zones, it offers flexible configuration for all types of wired utility networks. Unlike traditional concrete chambers, KTM2 won't corrode or crumble over time. It's smart, strong, and built for modern infrastructure demands. Why struggle with outdated heavy boxes when KTM2 makes cable access light, tough, and efficient? Willora is a brilliantly engineered connector system for wall-to-wall and wall-to-column joints. At its core is a precision steel rail with patented wire loops that can be bent and unbent while maintaining structural stability. No more struggle during rebar installation. This flexibility speeds up assembly and ensures perfect positioning every time. Willora handles multiple load types, including tension and shear, making it ideal for a wide range of structural applications. It's compact, easy to place, and built for efficiency without compromising strength. Compared to bulky or rigid systems, Willora brings simplicity and power together in one smart solution. Why complicate joints when Willora connects it all, cleanly, quickly, and securely? Thermabad is a proven insulation solution made from expanded polystyrene beads, and it's been trusted in the UK for over 30 years. It reduces energy use by 30% and slashes heat loss by a staggering 70%. That's real performance you can feel year-round. Installation is fast and clean. Just coin-sized holes and a special applicator gun get the job done in under a day. No bulky panels, no mess. Once installed, it lasts the lifetime of the building, making it a one-and-done investment in comfort and efficiency. Compared to traditional materials, Thermabad is lighter, faster, and far more effective. Why settle for average when you can insulate smarter with Thermabad? Blanket Permatop Wall transforms your walls into smart, silent climate control panels. Unlike traditional systems, it provides both heating and cooling efficiently by using a medium just slightly warmer or cooler than the air, reducing energy waste. It integrates seamlessly with smart home systems, letting your walls talk to your thermostat for perfect comfort automatically. No bulky radiators, no noisy fans, just smooth, draft-free temperature control year-round. Installation is fast thanks to precise fittings and durable clamps, making retrofits and new builds a breeze. And in summer, it acts like an anti-radiator, keeping your space refreshingly cool without a sound. Who knew walls could do that? DOA XBOT Lift is transforming slab formwork like never before. This robotic assistant lifts heavy formwork components up to 5.7 meters high. No more backbreaking labor or dangerous lifts. Controlled effortlessly via tablet, it brings speed and precision to the site while slashing physical strain on workers. Safety gets a major upgrade too, with secure RFID access and remote operation that keeps workers out of harm's way. Whether you're speeding up workflow or reducing on-site injuries, DOA XBOT Lift delivers unmatched efficiency. Compared to traditional manual lifting, it's smarter, safer, and faster. Ready to revolutionize your construction process? DOA XBOT Lift doesn't just assist, it empowers your team to build more, with less effort and greater safety. MBT Net Form redefines what formwork can do. At first glance, it looks ordinary, but hidden inside is a built-in fiberglass mesh that changes everything. Need to lay pipes or cables? Net Form makes it quicker and cleaner. Handling rebar? It's a breeze, thanks to the integrated mesh support. Installation couldn't be simpler, just secure it with regular nails, no special tools required. Plus, it's a permanent formwork system, eliminating the need for removal and cutting down labor costs dramatically. Compared to traditional panels, Net Form saves time, effort, and complexity. It's more than just formwork. It's an all-in-one construction upgrade hiding in plain sight. STAA Flamline is the ultimate 2-in-1 membrane for waterproofing and joint movement control. Whether it's a residential building, parking deck, or industrial site, Flamline delivers unmatched flexibility. It seals out water while adapting to structural shifts. How smart is that? Compatible with concrete, metal, plastic, and even wood, this membrane doesn't discriminate. It comes in roll format, making transport and setup a breeze, even through tight hatches. No need for special tools or training, any crew can handle it with ease. From rooftops to basements, Flamline provides long-lasting protection and peace of mind. It's innovation you can roll out, stretch, and trust. Why fight joint leaks when you can prevent them effortlessly? The Interquip Material Slinger is a powerhouse of speed and precision. With a massive 9 cubic meter capacity per load and the ability to launch material up to 43 meters, it redefines efficiency on site. Whether you're handling compost, gravel, or minerals, this beast gets it there, fast and flawlessly. Its all-wheel drive and specialized off-road tires tackle any terrain like a champ, making it ideal for flood control, land reclamation, and beyond. The unique body design opens wide for easy loading and flawless flow, keeping downtime to a minimum. Precision, power, and mobility all in one machine. This isn't just a slinger, it's a site-transforming game changer. RF System redefines cable installation with machines built for power, speed, and precision. From classic plows to high-performance chain systems, they dig as deep as 1.5 meters and cover up to 200 meters per hour. That's efficiency at a whole new level. Whether you're slicing through tough terrain or frozen ground, RF System handles cutting, compacting, and cable laying in one go. Their gear doesn't flinch at harsh environments, it thrives in them. Now part of Kinchhofer, a global force in heavy equipment, RF System's innovation is available worldwide. Need to install cables fast and flawlessly? This is the gear that gets it done, no matter the challenge. Smart automation by Vogeli is revolutionizing road building. This all-in-one system boosts precision with automated pavers that deliver highway construction to ultra-tight tolerances. Integrated with top-tier surveying and planning software, it provides real-time insights into surface area, volume, and milling depths, minimum, average, and max. GNSS receivers and RTK correction signals ensure centimeter-level accuracy every time. From data-driven milling to autonomous paving, this tech transforms traditional workflows into a digital symphony of speed and precision. No wonder it's a Bauma Innovation Award 2025 nominee. It's not just automation, it's smarter, faster, and miles ahead of the game. Structura's MSS is the ultimate solution for fast, safe, and efficient bridge construction. Designed for spans up to 70 meters, this movable scaffolding system handles both railway and road bridges with ease. Whether you're building straight or curved paths, MSS adapts with variable radius capability and supports various cross-section shapes. One standout feature: construction over active railways without disrupting train traffic. That's right, spans are poured above while trains continue running below. It allows single or multi-stage casting, offering unmatched flexibility and speed. Compared to conventional methods, Structura's MSS reduces project time, complexity, and risk. Why slow down for obstacles when you can build right over them, seamlessly and safely?